we're having a snow emergency and a siren is going off for the snow emergency. Hold on a sec. I can hear. Yeah, siren is going off because of the snow emergency. Whoa. I had to close it a bit. Yeah. Not sure how long this will be. The siren will be going off. But, yeah, you can hear it. Still recording. You can totally hear the siren going off. That's because we're having a winter storm warning. Look at that. Once the siren is done sounding off, I will stop recording. Jeez. Oh. It's winding down. What's that sound? Alright. Thank you for watching.